Hi guys, nice to see you again and connect with you. Miss you guys. I hope you are enjoying your time off and doing some fun things. I just wanted to talk to you about something else that we can do with these rocks. Take it to the next step. If you made some rocks, yay! I hope you were able to make some different types of emotions or ways that you feel. I think I made the happy rock with you guys. And then you can make a sad rock, a mad rock, a sleepy rock, surprised rock, whatever. And if you haven't done that yet, feel free to do that this week. Just spend some time and think about how just sit in your chair and think about how you feel. Okay. So sometimes when I have to try to figure out the way I'm feeling, because sometimes there are some days where I'm like, I don't even know what I feel. I need to just kind of take a few minutes to calm down and just think as I just sit and I close my eyes and I just take a couple deep breaths in and out. I'm thinking, how am I feeling right now? I'm feeling a little bit sleepy. I'm noticing I'm feeling sleepy right now. So I could make a sleepy rock, a rock that makes me look sleepy, whatever that looks like to you, and talk about it with somebody in your home about what that looks like. Okay, because sometimes it's hard to understand what our body looks like, what our mouth looks like, what our eyes look like when we're sleepy. For example, when I'm sleepy, I'm like this. Like my eyes are heavy. My mouth's just kind of neutral. I'm kind of like my shoulders are slumped. Just my overall body is just kind of like that. Okay. So, feel free to just keep exploring and drawing new rocks with different emotions on it. And if you need any help, remember I'm here for you and you can reach out to me at any time. But if you're done with that and you're ready to move on to a new level, what you can do with these rocks is notice how other people are feeling. Okay, so maybe take a brother or sister one day, or mom or dad, or grandma, grandpa, and just notice how they feel. And then look at your rocks and try to find a rock that matches their emotion. Okay, because everyone's emotions are different at all times. There are times when we're all happy, but there are times when maybe somebody's sleepy, someone's mad, someone's just feeling sad, so everyone has different emotions. So try this week. If you've worked on the rocks about yourself last week, okay, you can take it a new step and look at somebody else and try to match a rock to their feelings. Okay, so you can try that this week. And again, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. And I'm going to try to do some more of the Google Meets. So I'll check on you and see if you're doing any of these rocks. If you can do them, great. If not, if you're busy and you have other things to do, I understand. But this is just an activity for you to do. I think it's a fun one and it's a good one for social skills. Okay? All right. Miss you guys. Have fun.